Hi, I'm Sean Liming, and I'm going to demonstrate an exciting new security product called SecureBus. But first, a little background. We have a number of customers that are concerned about securing their devices. The industries range from financial equipment OEMs, medical equipment manufacturers, government, and point of sale. They're all looking to protect data that is in their device. All these customers are being driven by different security requirements, whether it be DIACAP, Payment Card Industry Standard Compliance, or HIPAA. All these requirements have one thing in mind: to lock down the device. The standard solutions to lock down Windows involves using group policy management, special user accounts, network security features, and custom shells. Windows Embedded adds features like EWF and file-based write filter to protect access to hard drives. With all these security features, USB ports are still an open issue. There are many devices that connect to USB, and they can act like storage devices. Of course, this presents a concern when sensitive data is involved. There are enterprise solutions to locking down ports, but not all these systems are connected to the enterprise. So we talked to our good friends at Sofa King Software, who are experts in device driver development, and we wanted to know if there's something that can be done at the driver level to control what can and cannot be connected to a USB host port. After several months of research and development, they came up with SecureBus. Very simply, SecureBus is a kernel driver that acts as a USB firewall. If you're familiar with the file-based write filter from XP Embedded and Windows Embedded Standard, SecureBus's main feature is a device authorization list that controls what devices can be plugged into a USB host port. You can add devices to the list using the device's plug-and-play ID. If you have a specific vendor brand that you're interested in supporting, you can open up a port for that vendor. SecureBus comes in a single 32-bit or 64-bit executable that includes the management application and the device driver. SecureBus works with Windows XP, Windows XP Embedded, Windows Vista, Windows 7, and Windows Embedded Standard 7. So for the demo, I have File Explorer opened up on one side of the screen, Device Manager opened up on the other side, and in the center I have the SecureBus administration application. The driver is already installed, and the SecureBus is set up in lockdown mode. There's already several devices that are enabled within the whitelist. These would be the USB root hub controllers. My custom USB device is a USB flash disk. Here's the vendor and product ID. And the actual device here is not checked, meaning that it's not authorized to connect to the system. So when I connect my USB flash disk to the system, plug it in, Windows will attempt to load the USB mass storage device, but because it's not on the authorization list, the USB device driver cannot load. And you can see a bang in Device Manager, and in File Explorer you do not see or have access to the USB flash disk. Now let me go ahead and remove my USB flash disk, and this time I want to grant access to the USB flash disk. So all I have to do is check the actual device, and now when I plug it back in, this time Windows will actually load the driver because it's permitted by SecureBus, and as you can see in File Explorer, the actual flash disk is available for access, for read-write access. Now if I want to add other custom devices, and if I know the plug-and-play and product ID, all I have to do is click the Add button, and I can add the vendor ID and the product ID by using the actual hex values. If I just want all devices for a specific vendor, there's a little checkbox here where I can say, only this particular vendor, and I don't have to enter in all the product IDs. Well, as you can see, SecureBus is very simple and very easy to use. SecureBus is available with a free 14-day trial. The base kit price is $399.95, and there's a per unit royalty for each device shipped with SecureBus installed. For more information, you can visit our website at www.sjjmicro.com.